Do you ever feel like life has turned into one long to-do list? Wake up, work, errands, repeat. Sometimes it feels like we're just surviving our days instead of actually living them. But here's the thing, romance isn't just for date nights or grand vacations. It can be part of your everyday life, even when you're busy. Today I'm sharing 10 simple and inspiring ways to romanticize your life to add a little sparkle and joy, even in the middle of chaos. By the end of this episode, you'll have practical, beautiful habits that make even your busiest days feel meaningful and inspiring. Before we start, I want to welcome you again to my channel. I am Elma Joy, a working professional, life coach, and content creator in San Diego, California. And whether you're tuning in on your morning walk, during your commute, or curled up at home, I'm so glad that you're here. All right, let's cozy up, breathe, and dive in. Tip 1, start your day with a slow moment. Instead of rushing into emails or tasks, carve out a few minutes for something beautiful. Tea in your favorite mug, journaling, or playing soft music. A listener once told me that lighting a candle while getting ready transformed her rush mornings into a ritual. Small details matter. Tip 2. Add aesthetic touches to the ordinary. Upgrade small details. Pour water into a cute glass, eat lunch on nice plates, or use fresh flowers on your desk. I remember eating takeout on a blanket with fairy lights instead of in front of the TV. Same food, whole different vibe. Tip 3. Curate a personal soundtrack. Music sets the tone for your day. Create playlists for different moods. Romantic fresh cafe vibes, cozy jazz for evenings, or upbeat classics for chores. A busy friend of mine swears by the laundry playlist that makes her folding clothes feel like dancing at a rom-com montage. Tip 4. Romanticize your commute. Even if you're driving or walking to work, you can turn it into a mini escape. Listen to an audiobook, a podcast, or notice the little details around you. The sky, the light, the people. Tip 5. Dress for the mood you want. Even if you're working from home, wear something that makes you feel beautiful or confident. Clothes carry energy. On days I put on earrings or spritz on perfume, I instantly carry myself differently, even if no one else sees me. Tip 6. Savor little indulgences. Make an ordinary coffee feel like a cafe moment. Froth the milk, sprinkle cinnamon, sit down and enjoy it instead of drinking while rushing. A busy mom I know makes 3 p.m. latte time her daily ritual. Her kids know it's her 5-minute reset, and it makes her day feel luxurious. Tip 7. Create seasonal traditions. Lean into the season you're in. Fresh flowers for spring, iced tea on the porch in summer, cozy blankets and candles in the fall, warm cocoa in winter. One year, I made it a tradition to watch the sunset once a week in summer. It turned busy weeks into something to look forward to. Tip 8. Romanticize your to-do list. Instead of seeing chores as drudgery, frame them as acts of care. Fold laundry to music, light a candle while cleaning, or turn grocery shopping into a mini solo date. I once turned grocery shopping into a Paris market moment by buying fresh bread and flowers. Same errand, different energy. Tip 9. Practice presence. Romanticizing isn't about adding more, but noticing more. Slow down to enjoy your meal, breathe deeply between tasks, or savor the sound of rain outside. A friend once told me she started taking her tea outside for 5 minutes every morning. It changed her whole mood before work. Tip 10. Celebrate small wins. Romance is about appreciation. Light a candle when you finish work. Toast sparkling water after completing a task, or journal gratitude for little joys. After a tough week, I treated myself to flowers from the grocery store, just because. It reminded me to celebrate myself. Romanticizing your life doesn't require money, more time, or grand gestures. It's about adding intention and beauty to what you're already doing. All right, let's recap. 1. Start your day with a slow moment. 2. Add aesthetic touches. 3. Curate your soundtrack. 4. Romanticize your commute. 5. Dress for the mood you want. 6. Savor little indulgences. 7. Create seasonal traditions. 8. Reframe your to-do list. 9. Practice presence. And 10. Celebrate small wins. When you weave these little rituals into your days, you'll notice your busy days feel lighter, more meaningful, and even magical. Life is happening right now, so why not make it beautiful? Thanks for tuning in, friends. If you enjoyed this episode, please comment your favorite tip and subscribe for more cozy and helpful content. Take care, and remember, you are enough.